What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to fix the "something went wrong" update error for Windows 10. This should be quite an easy tutorial, but if you still have any questions then leave a comment and let me know. According to Microsoft, this error occurs when Windows 10 initiates an automatic update and the program requires user interaction. However, if you initiate the Windows update, these types of errors can occur for various reasons. Restarting your device should be the first troubleshooting step, which is recommended to most users. After restarting your device, search for Update and hit Enter to open up the Windows Update System settings. Here, navigate to the Troubleshoot section and select Windows Update under Get Up and Running. The troubleshooter will take a minute or two to identify the problem. In case you still have the problem, make sure that you have some storage left in your device. This can easily be done by accessing your storage settings. Here, select Temporary Files, and after a few seconds, you will be able to remove some unneeded files from your system. Not enough space can be a reason for failing updates, especially when third-party programs are running in the background. Lastly, if nothing seems to work, I suggest opening up the recovery settings. On this window, select Get Started and then choose Keep My Files. This will factory reset your settings, remove installed applications, but your personal files will be kept on your hard drive. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.